Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my first lecture on my course 2D game developing for Android using Unity 3D. In this first lecture, we will set up the environment for Unity 3D in Android. For that, it is very important that you have a physical Android device or an emulators. And I don't really recommend the use of emulators since they take much memory on your computer. Okay? So, let's do this. What is Unity? Unity 3D is a powerful cross-platform 3D engine and a user-friendly development environment, easy enough for the beginner. And the most lovely feature is that it is completely free. Well, there is a paid version of the Unity software that will cost you around $1,500, but the free version is more than acceptable to get your feet wet and develop fully fledged games. So let's download the free version. Click download and download the latest version of Unity. Wait for the download to start and then save your file. I already did this and installed it, and here it is. Now, let's go for the Android SDK. Here, the Android SDK provides you the API libraries and developer tools necessary to build, test, and debug apps for Android. So click this blue button here to download the Eclipse ADT bundle. Read through the terms and conditions, agree with them, and select the building platform. Okay, in this case 64-bit, and download it. Again, I already downloaded this file, and here it is. So when you first open this folder, you will find here two folders: Eclipse, SDK, and an executable. You can just delete this Eclipse folder because we're not going to use it. Now, drag and drop the SDK manager into this SDK folder, and once you do that, you will get to something like this. Okay, something like I have here. Perfect. The next step is to double click the SDK manager and open it. Okay, as you can see here, now we have the Android SDK manager open. So there are a lot of packages. Here we have a tools folder, then different Android versions from API 3 to API 20L preview, and at last the extras folder. I will tell you exactly what packages you need to download. Inside the tools folder, open it and select the first three packages. Okay, the SDK tools, the SDK platform tools, and the SDK build tools. There are a lot of versions for the build tools. Just be sure to download the latest version, okay, that at the time of making this video is the 20, as you can see here. Okay, now close this tools folder and select all of those Android versions for which you are going to develop games. Okay, so this is up to you. Select those you want. Preferably select those that are the latest Android versions. Okay, for example, something like that will do the job. Okay, and at last, inside the extras folder, select the Android support repository package, the Android support library package, the Google Play services package, and the Google repository. So that's it. Now that you have these three packages, those four packages, and the Android versions you want, for example, let's say something like this, then you just have to click in this button, install 13 packages, and the Android SDK manager will download them and then install them on your computer, and this will take a lot of time, maybe 1, 2, or even 3 hours, depending on your internet connection. It took me up to 2 hours, I remember. So let's close this, and now open up Unity Now, the first time you open Unity, you will be offered to either open a project or create a new project. Since you have no projects yet, then create a new project and browse to your desktop folder and create a new folder called 2D Game Tutorial. That will be the folder we're going to use in the upcoming tutorials. Okay, so select that folder and set up the files for 2D games, okay, not 3D ones. So select 2D here and then click create. This will create a new project, and that's it. Now, before getting started with the Android development, you need to do two things. The first one, go to File, Build Settings, and then select the Android platform tool, okay, and switch that platform. Now, you should have a small Unity 3 icon next to your Android here, okay? So, the second step, go to Edit, Preferences, External Tools, and inside your Android SDK location, click here and select the Android SDK folder you downloaded, okay? So select that folder and go for it. You are now done, ready to start developing games for Android. This was my first lecture. I really hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.